Over the last 10 years, I've sent well over 1 million cold emails to grow my business to over $200,000 a month. And in this time, I've tried countless subject lines in order to figure out what is actually most effective. And over 10 years later, I've narrowed it down to 3 subject lines that are crushing it in 2025 across all industries, whether that's real estate, lawyers, dentists, doctors, Inc. 5000 companies, personal brands, and so much more. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 subject lines that you can use in your cold outreach to get more open rates and ultimately more sales calls so that you can grow your business using cold outreach. Let's get into it. So as first starting cold email, I would try all of the tactics just to get somebody to open it. And what I would try is things like exclusive offer for a first name. I would try to basically sell them in the subject line. I would do the tactics of adding the colon so it looks like they responded, or the forward colon so it looks like it was a forward from somebody that they received an email from me, all trying to get the customer just to open the email and respond to me and ultimately book a call. The problem with the tactics of trying to sell too much in the subject line, making it super long, kind of using this fishy tactics to get them to open the email, is that it came off as spammy. And on the other end, the consumer, if they thought that they might have replied, then they're going to be disappointed when they open the email and think, okay, gosh, this is just a cold emailer cold emailing me. Or if you're just selling in the subject line, they're not going to open that email because they already know before they even open the email what you're trying to get from them, and you're just trying to sell them. That is not an effective way to do cold outreach. So instead, what we want to do when we think about subject lines is we want to think about subject lines as the first impression. And what we don't want to do is we don't want to sell them in the subject line. We don't want to do something sharky. We don't want to do something like sneaky. We basically just want them to open the email, and then the body of the email will do the selling. And if you think about it from a consumer perspective, they're not going to open something that is clearly a sales email or clearly a cold email. They're going to open something that feels organic, feels like it's a email from a colleague, feel like it's an email from a friend. So when it comes to subject lines, we don't want to be salesy. We want it to feel as personal as possible, whether it's a coworker emailing them, a friend emailing them. That way they actually open it and they don't just immediately put it into the trash folder. Another thing when it comes to the subject line is we want to not be salesy, but we also want it to pique curiosity from the person that's receiving the email. All of this to say, let's get into the 3 different email subject lines that have just been ripping and that can also crush for you. So the first subject line that I recommend us using is simply first name, thoughts. So how this would look in the email is something like John, thoughts. Why I like this subject line and why it works so well is because it's personalized and it piques curiosity. This could be coming from a coworker. This could be coming from a friend. This could be coming from a potential prospect, something along those lines, which then makes it appear like it's not salesy. What we want to think about is the recipient receiving the email, what they're going to think, how they're going to react to the email. And this is a simple email subject line that will land in their inbox and not come off as salesy. And the likelihood of them opening it will be extremely high because it has their first name and it piques curiosity to get their thoughts on something that you just sent them. The next subject line that has absolutely been crushing for us is just simply hi, first name. So how this looks in a actual subject line, if you're sending an email, could just be, hi, John. Again, same principles that apply to what I just said on the last one. It is personalized, meaning that it's seemingly coming from a coworker, a colleague, a friend, whoever it could be, and it's not selling them in the subject line, and it's not a subject line that's going to go immediately into the trash folder. Because this email is short, sweet, to the point, could be coming from anybody, the likelihood of the person, the recipient, opening it is going to be really high. So hi, John is another super simple subject line that we can be using inside of our cold emails that will get them to open it and effectively see what it is that you're offering them in the cold email, and more likely to take action if you're fulfilling the curiosity of the actual subject line. So the third subject line that I want to hit on is simple as well. It's going to be invitation, first name, and your name. So how this looks in the subject line is simply invitation, John, and Austin. So the reason I like this subject line is because it's personalized and the recipient doesn't feel like this is going to be spammy, I'm selling them, whatever it could be. Another reason I like it is the invitation keyword. This is a really familiar subject line that a lot of top level people and people that you're probably selling to receive, because when you send a calendar invite to somebody, this is something that they get, invitation, and then it's the actual calendar title. So this is a familiar subject line. It's something that they're more likely to open because they are used to it and it doesn't seem like a cold email and there's no real still selling inside of this cold email. Another reason I think this cold email subject line works really well is because we included the invitation. We're inviting them to receive the lead magnet that we're sending over to them, or whatever it is that's in the actual body of the email. And I think the reason this has also been working really well is because, like, from a psychology perspective, people like to receive invitations. So this also helps get them to open it and ultimately gets the curiosity super high of the recipient for them to open up the email and see what they're invited to, see what they're invited to receive, see what they're invited to get. So for us, this has also been a super effective subject line to get more responses and ultimately book more calls for our business. And I wanted to keep this video short because the subject line can really get you so far, which is going to be getting the prospect to open the email. But what comes next is more important, which is actually what's in the email. And if you're not 100% sure what to put in the email so that you can actually book more calls and ultimately grow your business using cold email, then go ahead and click the video on the screen where I show you exactly step by step, A to Z, how to use cold email effectively in your business and ultimately how to start and sell the service in just 10 hours. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.